Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today I am going to take GK subject and our topic is about sources of water. It is about sources of water. Dear students, water is a precious natural resource. We know that water is very important part of our life. Not just for human but animals and plant also require water. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्या कभी आपने सोचा है कि जिस पानी से हम नहाते हैं या जिस पानी से मम्मी हमारे लिए यम्मी और टेस्टी खाना बनाती है और जिस पानी को हम पीते हैं वो पानी आता कहाँ से है? वेयर वी गेट वाटर फ्रॉम? वी गेट वाटर फ्रॉम लेक, रिवर, पॉन्ड, सी एंड ओशंस. But from where they get water? They get water from rain. So rain is the main source of water. So dear student, you can see rain is the main source of water. The spelling of rain is R-A-I-N, rain. R-A-I-N, rain, and the rain is the main source of water. Second one is river. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. The third one is lake. L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. The fourth one is pond. P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. And the fifth one is well. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. These are the some sources of water. From those we get water. इनके थ्रू हमें पानी मिलता है. Now dear students, we are going to write these sources of water in our GK notebook. Now dear students, we are going to write the sources of water in our GK notebook. First source of water is R-A-I-N, rain. So you have to write this spelling R-A-I-N, rain. Okay. Once again we are going to write it R-A-I-N, rain. Very good. R-A-I-N, rain. Rain is the main source of water. R-A-I-N, rain. You have to write in cursive letter. Okay. R-A-I-N, rain. You have to speak and write R-A-I-N, rain. Okay. Once again we have to write it R-A-I-N, rain, and rain is the main source of water. Second one is river. So we are going to write the spelling of river R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. River is the second source of water. Okay. You have to speak and write R-I-V-E-R, river. Write it carefully and in neat and clean handwriting. R-I-V-E-R, river. Okay. Now third one is pond, and the spelling of pond is P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Pond is also a source of water. Okay, P-O-N-D, pond. Now we are going to write next source of water. This one is lake. You can see L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Lake is also a source of water. Source of water means कि हमें जिन चीज़ों से पानी मिलता है हम उन्हें कहते हैं source of water. L-A-K-E, lake. Lake is also a source of water. Then the next one is well. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. Well means kuwa. W-E-L-L, well. Okay, in this way, dear students, today we write the spelling of rain, river, pond, lake and well. You have to write this spelling in your GK notebook. Dear students, there are some other sources of water also, like sea, ocean, streams, tube well, etc. But you have to write just 5 sources of water in your GK notebook. It is your today's homework. You have to write it in neat and clean handwriting and learn this spelling well. Okay, dear students? Dear students, I am going to tell you one more thing, that water is very precious gift for us. So we never waste the water. We should save the water. We should always turn off the tap after using it. जब भी हम टैप से हैंड वॉश करते हैं तो टैप मीन्स नल, तो हमें उसे टैप को ऑफ कर देना चाहिए. टर्न ऑफ, वी शुड ऑलवेज टर्न ऑफ द टैप. हमें टैप को मतलब नल को हमेशा बंद करना चाहिए प्रॉपरली. एंड नेवर थ्रो एनी वेस्ट इन द वाटर. और कभी भी हमें पानी में कोई भी वेस्ट मटेरियल मीन्स कि कचरा नहीं डालना चाहिए. वी शुड ऑलवेज सेव वाटर. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस क्लास. Okay, take care. Bye bye.